another question here. It says, great content. If I'm the winning bidder, I assume I get the quitclaim deed and cannot have a title insurance, right? Is it possible to flip right away, or do I have to wait the redemption period of 2 years? Thanks.
Now, with this particular question, on the redemption period with the tax lien, you're not going to be getting, the property. But if we're talking about a tax deed, or if we're talking about a redemption period like in Texas, for example, then that 2-year period could apply to it. But if we're just talking about a normal tax deed, you're going to get either a tax deed, it could be a quitclaim deed, and your question about title insurance is right. You can't get title insurance on tax deed properties. Most title companies don't issue title insurance, but there is a couple of specialty title companies or options that will offer title insurance without going through and doing quiet title.
Yeah. In fact, they basically just charge a premium for it. But they're good options if you did want to sell the property immediately to somebody that needed, that was bringing financing, basically, so we needed to have title insurance. There are some companies that specialize in providing that kind of title insurance for a little bit of a premium. So it might cost you, $3,000 for the title insurance, but it basically gives you the ability though to sell it right away. You always have the power to sell tax deed properties right away. Meaning that you could sell it, but you can sell them as is. The one thing you can't do right away is sell them, with a warranty deed. But you can use something like those companies we were talking about, something like a tax title services company, to get a deal done, at full value.
Yeah. So when you buy that tax deed, like Shade said, you can either sell it as is, where they're not going to be able to get title insurance unless it's something like tax title services, or you can go ahead and go through quiet title process and then eventually sell it with a warranty deed at top dollar, where anyone can get title insurance on it because it's like any other property.
Yeah, but you always have the power to sell. It's just a matter of whether or not, how difficult, I guess, it might be to find a buyer if you can't go through and get normal title insurance.
Yeah, definitely.
So, all right, let's see.